Hi guys, hope you're right. Today I'm installing an aftermarket Android head unit from Marx's group. Let's see what's in the box. Of course, some wiring harness.
Yeah,
What is
it's open. Oh, so cool. It's amazing. Don't miss.
This radio antenna. Let's keep them aside. So here's the main head unit. Looks astonishing. Some more wiring. This is power cable which is mostly used in Volkswagen cars. Now we'll open the old radio. For this, take a flat screwdriver and find a gap. Then slowly try to pull out. There are 6 clips which you need to focus. Pull out gently, otherwise you'll end up breaking.
Happy birthday.
Remove 44 screws. Pull out the radio straight with both hands. Take out the radio connector and the power cable carefully as both have a secure clip lock. This is two-way connection. I think the other one is for amplifier. For now, connect only one to the RD wire. Now the main power harness connector.
Excavator.
Let's check if it's worked properly. First connect the antenna and the power cable. Wow, first boot. I think it will take some time to boot up. One important thing is to remove this connection from CAN bus to avoid always on power to the radio. With this, head unit will switch off with the ignition. This one is GPS antenna. Connect it someplace where you will find good signal, otherwise GPS won't work properly. For me, it's under the hood of central console. Now connect the CAN bus to the head unit. This will show which door is open, GPS speed, and all the functions. Screw the GPS connection to the head unit. Make it a little tight, as the inside wire has to touch the joint. Take all the harness and put back head unit as it is, and screw back all the T4 screws. Fix back the console cover and try to push at the clip positions. Hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. A bientôt.